Here at Sandy Sansing Ford Lincoln in Daphne, we're getting excited about the big game, so let's take a look at the matchup. On this side, the 2020 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat with the 6.2-liter V8, the black package, fixed running boards, lifted with the Nitto Trail Grappler MT35s. And on this side, the 2020 Ford F-250 Super Duty Platinum with the 6.7-liter diesel Power Stroke engine, the chrome package, deployable running boards, the Nitto Trail Grappler MT35s. The diesel or the gas burner? Which Super Duty are you taking to the big game?